few moments later.
Thank you. Can I help you? My ST Dosen tool. Oh, I'm sorry about that. Let me check. Would you like me to make a new one? Yes, please. I prefer cool. Alright, give me a moment. I will make a fresh one for you. Thank you. Yes, to you iced tea. I hope it's your liking. Thank you for your patience. Thank you. This is perfect. Okay, thank you. Yeah.